What is going on, you guys, and welcome back. Now, first things first, do you like my Maserati jacket? I actually found this in a thrift shop in Berlin, Germany. Yeah, I don't know if it was a mechanic's jacket or let's hope the jacket doesn't start to break down after a short while. But anyways, Maserati has nothing to do with this video at all. Before we installed the headers on the C5 Corvette, my brother and my friend Dave and I took a ride up to the Kancamagus Highway. Now, if you guys are not from New England and you don't know what that is, it's one of the best driving roads in New England. It's a very windy, very, I'm not very good at these words. Why is this so hard? It's very windy and you go up and then you go down and I sound like a real idiot. But regardless, we hit one of the best driving roads in New England with my C5, my brother in his C6, and my friend Dave in his 350Z, which I reviewed on the channel like 2 years ago. I was not able to bring my Corvette during the fall to the Kancamagus Highway last year because it was in the garage getting the harmonic balancer done. So I missed out. So it was very nice to bring the C5 up to this road and really put it through its paces and just enjoy the road, enjoy the foliage. And I figured I would release this video now because unfortunately New England right now is completely covered in snow. So in this video, you'll be able to see what New Hampshire looks like when it's not completely covered in snow, and maybe this will brighten your day and help your seasonal depression. I know I definitely have it right now. So without further ado, enjoy.
look from the back. You look from the back.